Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, and most isolated continent on Earth. Today, it serves as a giant laboratory for scientists, but for much of human history, its very existence was unknown. From ancient theories to its official discovery in the 19th century, Antarctica has intrigued explorers and researchers alike. However, beyond its scientific importance, the continent has also been the center of many mysterious events and conspiracy theories. In this narration, we will explore Antarctica's discovery, scientific research, key expeditions, and some of the strangest stories associated with the continent. The first theories about a great southern landmass came from ancient Greek philosophers. They believed the Earth had to be balanced between the northern and southern hemispheres, leading to the concept of Terra Australis Incognita, unknown southern land. Aristotle and Ptolemy suggested that a massive landmass should exist in the southern hemisphere. Early explorers and cartographers even depicted this hypothetical continent on maps, but no one had actually seen it. As the 15th and 16th centuries brought the age of exploration, European navigators mapped the southern oceans. However, Antarctica remained hidden due to its thick ice and extreme conditions. Captain James Cook's journey, 1773 to 1774. British explorer Captain James Cook made one of the earliest attempts to reach Antarctica. During his 1773 voyage aboard the Resolution and Adventure, he crossed the 60th parallel south and ventured deep into the Antarctic waters. Captain James Cook's journey, 1773 to 1774. British explorer Captain James Cook made one of the earliest attempts to reach Antarctica. During his 1773 voyage aboard the Resolution and Adventure, he crossed the 60th parallel south and ventured deep into the Antarctic waters. First sightings of Antarctica, 1820. After decades of uncertainty, 3 different explorers officially sighted Antarctica in 1820. Fabian Gottlieb von Bellingshausen, Russia. Edward Bransfield, United Kingdom. Nathaniel Palmer, United States. Their reports confirmed the existence of a vast landmass hidden beneath the ice. First landing on Antarctica, 1895. Norwegian explorer Karsten Borchgrevink became the first person to set foot on Antarctica in 1895. However, its extreme climate made long-term habitation nearly impossible. The Great Antarctic Expedition Race, 1911 to 1912. The rivalry between Roald Amundsen and Robert Falcon Scott. One of the most dramatic moments in Antarctic history was the race to reach the South Pole. Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen and British explorer Robert Falcon Scott both aimed to be the first humans to reach the South Pole. Amundsen used sled dogs, which were more effective in the freezing conditions. On December 14, 1911, Amundsen successfully reached the South Pole and planted the Norwegian flag. Scott and his team arrived on January 17, 1912, only to find that Amundsen had beaten them. Tragically, on their return journey, Scott and his team perished in the extreme cold. Their story remains one of the greatest tragedies in the history of exploration. Scientific research in Antarctica. In 1959, the Antarctic Treaty was signed, declaring that the continent would be used only for scientific research and banning military activities. Major research stations. McMurdo Station, United States, the largest Antarctic base. Amundsen Scott South Pole Station, United States, located at the exact South Pole. Vostok Station, Russia, one of the coldest places on Earth.
Through every mile, love carries me. A stranger's smile feels like poetry.
Major scientific discoveries in Antarctica. Lake Vostok, 1996, a giant freshwater lake buried under 4 kilometers of ice. It has been isolated for millions of years, making it an ideal place to study alien life conditions. Ozone hole, 1985, scientists discovered a massive hole in the ozone layer over Antarctica, leading to global environmental policies. Meteorites from Mars. Antarctica's ice preserves meteorites well, and researchers have found several space rocks that may have come from Mars. Mysterious events and conspiracies in Antarctica. Nazi Germany's secret base, Neuschwabenland, 1938 to 1945. One of the most famous Antarctica conspiracy theories is that Nazi Germany built a secret base there in the late 1930s. In 1938, Hitler sent an expedition to Antarctica to claim a region called Neuschwabenland. Some believe the Nazis built an underground base there and even conducted secret technological experiments.
Packed with all my hopes, chasing sunsets and dusty roads, feet on the edge of the great
Operation High Jump, 1946 to 1947. One of the strangest Antarctic missions was Operation High Jump, led by Admiral Richard E. Byrd. The U.S. Navy sent 4,000 men, ships, and aircraft to Antarctica. The mission ended earlier than expected, leading to wild theories about why they had to retreat. When Byrd returned, he made an odd statement. "We have encountered flying objects that can move at incredible speeds, beyond anything we have seen before." This has fueled UFO and hidden technology conspiracy theories. Pyramids in Antarctica. Satellite images have revealed pyramid-like structures buried under Antarctic ice. Some theorists suggest they could be evidence of an ancient lost civilization. Scientists argue that they are likely natural geological formations. Disappearing scientists and strange weather events. Over the years, several researchers have mysteriously disappeared in Antarctica. Some pilots have reported sudden magnetic anomalies and unusual cloud formations that seem to defy scientific explanation.
Through every mile, love carries me. A stranger's smile.
Antarctica's future. Antarctica plays a crucial role in the Earth's climate and future. Climate change. Antarctic glaciers are melting at an alarming rate, contributing to rising sea levels. Resource extraction debates. Some nations are interested in mining Antarctica's vast mineral resources, which could damage its fragile ecosystem. NASA's interest. Antarctica serves as a test site for Mars missions due to its extreme conditions. Conclusion. Antarctica is one of Earth's most fascinating and mysterious places. It remained hidden for centuries. It has been the site of great discoveries and tragic expeditions. Its scientific importance continues to grow. Mysterious events and conspiracy theories keep its legend alive. As climate change and technology shape the future, what new secrets might Antarctica reveal?
Suitcase packed with all my hopes, chasing sunsets and dusty roads, feet on the edge of the great unknown. Whispers take me where winds have blown. Oh, I'm following the sky so free, where the stars paint maps just for me. Every heartbeat's a new story told. Wanderlust dreams never grow old. Cities shine like jewels at night. Mountains hug the morning light. Every turn's a brand new page, a fleeting moment on a global stage. Oh, I'm following the sky so free, where the stars paint maps just for me. Every heartbeat's a new story told. Wanderlust dreams never grow old. Planes and trains hum lullabies, each horizon